Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can see hidden replies in Twitter or X application. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put likes and also write comments after watching the video. So, let's get started. Open up the X application to begin with. And if you want to see some hidden answers, first of all, I'm going to explain to you what they even are. Now, hidden replies or hidden comments are comments that people have left under someone's post, but you can't see them like a normal comment under a post. Because, for example, the particular user who put up the post, he hid them because he didn't like them, or they were hurtful or unpleasant, or whatever. But you can still try to find such hidden comments. To do this, find some post. Next, at the top of the post you will see such inconspicuous 3 dots. You'll need to click here. And down here at the bottom you can find the hidden replies feature. And if you click on it in this menu, you can see all the hidden replies right away, whether they're there or not. If they are not there, if you don't have this function in the menu, then there are no hidden replies to that post, because they may not be to all posts, not to all posts in App X. Friends, this is how you can see hidden replies on Twitter if you need to. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please write your comments, put your likes and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.